Did you know that there are many online jobs for teenagers? Having to continually ask for money from your parents to spend can become hard. It helps if you have a job from which you can make your own spending money and learn work ethics while at it. And stay tuned for the sixth one, as that one could possibly make you more money than the first 5 in the list. And with that, let's begin with the list. Number 1. Fiverr. I'm sorry I had to include Fiverr in the list, but Fiverr is no doubt the first place to start if you haven't yet started earning money on internet. Although Fiverr is very popular and filled with lots of competition, but if you're better at something than most of the Fiverr sellers out there, you're most definitely going to succeed. I advise you to start charging lowest rate possible, which is $5, and gradually work your way up once you get a bunch of good reviews. Number 2. Transcribing services. If you're good, you can earn as much as $17 to $20 per hour. But if you're learning the skills, expect no more than $10 an hour. For this job, you need to be accurate and fluent in the language you aim to transcribe. Number 3. 99 Designs. 99 Designs is one of the best platforms for graphic designers. If you haven't yet learned this skill, I strongly advise you to get a certification course on this skill, as this could be easily your main source of income if you have a good portfolio. If you are just starting a career, this is the best thing to consider if you are confused about your professional future. Number 4. Upwork. Upwork could be the best freelancing site out there. Despite Fiverr being popular, Upwork is much more better than it because of various reasons, like Upwork only gives limited amounts of connects to send proposals to clients, which means Upwork is aiming for quality freelancers and trying to reduce spam. Though you only have limited amount of proposals before you have to buy more, I suggest you build your profile first before sending any proposals to clients, as this will help landing you your first client on the website much more faster. Number 4. Shutterstock. If you want to pursue photography or have a passion for clicking photos, you're going to love this site, as this site will sell your photos to clients all around the globe and you will get paid for it. And now to the last one on the list, number 6. Rob a bank. This is a really simple task, as you only need a mask and a gun. A fake one would work. And go to the bank and ask the cashier for money. I'm just kidding, guys. There is no sixth one. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. In order to make money, the truth is you will need to work harder. I hope you learned something from this video. Please smash that like button if you think this video was worth your time. Thank you.